It's grilling season. Happy Aloha Friday to you guys. Thank you for being here today. We're gonna go grill some steaks. And then I got just a little update on our cargo trailer conversion, so hang around to the end if that interests you. But first, let's go do some grilling. Okay, so this recipe, which is so simple, came from my husband. He has done steaks this way for long before he and I ever got together, and I don't know where he got it from. He doesn't know where he got it from. I don't think it's anything special that only he does, but it's just a way that we like to enjoy steaks. What it does is it tenderizes the meat. So this actually works great on cheaper cuts of meat that you want to be more tender, more flavorful. And we went with ribeyes, but that's only because I was ono for ribeyes that day and they looked good. It will not taste like oysters and it will not taste like fish, but it will have a slight sweetness to it and like a shoyu soy sauce flavor, and the Hawaiian salt just pulls that flavor right into the meat. So give it a try, you guys. I think you'll like it. And then what else I've been doing, we had to update our sleeping arrangements in our trailer because my girls are grown. My baby no longer fits in her mini crib. So we took out the mini crib and had to put back together our disco bed bunk. We're only using the bottom half of the bunk. And I had to put that back into the trailer. And I ended up buying a whole new mattress and all new bedding for the king bed bunk. And so we had to take out all the old stuff, put in all the new stuff, let the mattress inflate, and then put all new bedding. So everything that I used for the new bedding and even the disco bed bunk cot was purchased off of Amazon. So check out the links below if any of those items interest you, or if you want to know what mattress I used. All the affiliate links will be below in the description. And the recipe, the super simple recipe, will also be in the description. And I threw in the zucchini because that's also very easy and simple, and even my kids will eat zucchini this way. They love it. It tastes like a pickle. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this one and you enjoyed it. We finally got to enjoy the fire pit that I worked so hard. My husband and I worked so hard to create that space for us, and we did get to have some time to sit around the fire pit and just relax and enjoy it. So I hope you guys are having a great week so far, that you have a good weekend coming up ahead of you, and I hope I get to see you guys again next week. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. Bye.